symbol USRM, currently traded at 0239. The last time we looked at it was on the 6th, which would bring us right here at that area. Spinning top, wasn't too sure which way it's going. If volume doesn't return, could slowly move down to 0272, 0243. And you guys hit the low right there of 0255, right between those 2 points, and closed at 0271. Look at that, dead on. It actually closed right there. 0272. I missed that by 1 decibel. But hey, it was close. Then bounce support at 0243. I thought that it was going to bounce off there. Hey, you know what? But this is what happens. This is why we try to follow these as much as we can. I don't like the fact that this thing keeps gapping down. I don't, because, I mean, it shows weakness. That's what it does. All right. You guys came down touching that 0220 area. And again, hopefully that holds. You're going to need to get that interest back here. If that interest doesn't come back, you guys could trend down to the 20-day simple moving average. That's going to be the next support off this. So if this thing breaks, if you guys start dipping below that 0220, it will go down to 0166 really quick, in my opinion, especially basing that off of here. So again, this is going to come down to the buying pressure is what we're going to be looking for. Buying pressure is going to need to return to get you guys past that 10-day simple moving average. That is all I'm going to have to add for this. We'll see if Joe can add some more light to what's going on.
Yeah, I'm just looking through some things right now on it. There was an 8K from the other day. I was just pulling up right there. It was received on March 6th. So I was pulling it up to look at it really quick. They also had a press release from, it was at yesterday. So on the 7th, there was a press release. It was Greg Knutson joins U.S. Stem Cells Incorporated's board of directors. So yesterday, U.S. Stem Cell Incorporated, a Florida corporation and leading in novel regenerative medicine solutions and physician-based stem cell therapies for human and animal patients, is pleased to announce that Greg Knutson, the manager of North Star Biotech LLC, has joined the board of directors of U.S. Stem Cell Incorporated. So we are pleased that Greg Knutson, a longtime supporter of U.S. stem cell family of companies, has agreed to join the board and assist us to continue with our recent technological advances and financial accomplishments, said Mike Thomas, president and CEO of U.S. Stem Cell Incorporated, a longtime U.S. stem cell shareholder and supporter. Knutson brings more than 30 years of business and financial experience to the organization. During his entrepreneurial career, Knutson founded Concrete Specialists Incorporated and continues to serve as its president, and is the founder and current president of Sunwood Properties, and is the founder and managing partner of G&G Land Development LLC. Demonstrating a progressive step forward, Knutson joins the board of directors just as the two companies amicably settled a legal dispute related to North Star's preferred shares. So that's where the 8K came up right there. So this 8K that was published, what day was that? On the 6th. And it was regarding to a dispute that these guys had and enter into a material definitive agreement. So it was on August 30th, 2016, North Star Biotech Group filed suit against the company, seeking, among others, a declaratory judgment as whether its 20 million Series A preferred shares were the subject of the company's reverse stock split effective November 4th, 2015. On March 1st, 2017, North Star and the company entered into an amicable settlement agreement related to the dispute. Pursuant to the terms and conditions of the settlement agreement, North Star, previously a holder of the company's preferred stock, has agreed to convert such preferred stock to 20 million shares of unrestricted common stock. In addition, and it's separate and apart from the conversion, North Star will receive 10 million shares of restricted common stock. North Star will receive 10% of all company international sales based on gross sales basis. Furthermore, North Star manager Greg Knutson was appointed to the board of directors of the company, and two company directors, Michael Thomas and Christian Cormella, will each exercise their prior North Star options to each receive 5% member interest in North Star. The parties agreed to a mutual release. So that is that. So I mean, obviously, it's always good when people work things out.
Yep.
So.
All
So
right.
if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to go over to the USRM board over there on Investors Hangout, and feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that he uses on his site daily.
All right, there we go. USRM, again, as far as the chart goes, I mean, you look at this. I mean, you can't really say anything else besides look at, kind of point this out to you guys. This is when we originally covered this one on the 17th of January. That was at 0044. It still has room to go alert. Put that on a technical analysis alert. I mean, that was at 0044. So, I mean, this is the benefits of watching these streams with us and going through the stocks that you guys, investors, bring to us that we go through. Again, 0239 must hold 0220 otherwise. And you guys are starting to break that right now that we see, unfortunately. But like I said, watch it. Otherwise, 0163 support at 0220. You guys pulled back. They're listening. They're like, no way. 0163, 0153. Resistance at 0270, 0282, 0338. I'm sorry. Again, with USRM, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. Get out there and share this video with all other investors. We'd appreciate that across the networks, across the forums, the social networks. If you have any other hot stocks that you would like to see us go through, head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know.